Hi friends, today I am presenting you the most awaited car of Nexa, the all new S-Cross. This car now comes with smart hybrid petrol engine which is more powerful and more fuel efficient. If we talk about the looks of the car, you get a bold and dynamic front grille which makes the car much appealing. You get automatic LED projector headlamps with LED DRLs, which gives you better road visibility during night drives. And the car also comes with automatic rain sensing wiper. If we talk about the fog lamps, these comes with chrome finishing, which makes the car very attractive. The car also comes with silver skid plate, which makes it more sporty. If we talk about the alloy wheels, these are machined alloy wheels, 16-inch, which makes the car much sportier. On you get a LED turn indicator on ORVM, which gives premium looks to the car. And if we talk about the ground clearance, it comes with high ground clearance of 180 mm, which gives you better drivability on road and off road. And yes, there is no need to take out the keys. You enter in the car just with a single press of button. You get all black sporty leather interior in the car, and the driver seat comes with height adjuster. You can adjust it according to your height. On steering you get audio controls, calling controls, and for a relaxed drive you get cruise control. The steering is tilt and telescopic adjustable. You can adjust it according to your height for a better driving experience. And you get a multi information display which tells about the mileage of the car and range of the car, outside temperature, and much more information. Here you get a auto dimming IRVM which does not reflect the light into the driver's eyes, and the car comes equipped with the Smart Play Studio, which is a 7-inch touch screen infotainment system. This gives you connectivity of Bluetooth, and you can use Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and Smart Play Studio app in this infotainment system. And you also get the reverse parking camera view in the Smart Play Studio system. For your comfort in the cabin, the car is equipped with automatic climate control. You can set desired temperature in the AC. You get a decent size glow box which comes with hydraulic damper, which is so much spacious, and you get a sliding armrest for better driving experience, two cup holders, 12-volt accessory socket, and aux port. If we talk about the rear profile of the car, you get wiper with washer, defogger for the cleaning of rear windshield during bad weather, and you get an impressive boot space of 353 liters, and a charging socket here also in the boot, and a boot lamp which makes it more convenient during night. If we talk about the parking assist system, you get a rear camera parking sensor for better parking and easy parking. You get attractive tail lamps which are LED. If we talk about the comfort of rear seat, here you get easy ingress and egress, comfortable thigh support, better knee room, ample headroom, better shoulder room, And the car also comes with rear center armrest with cup holders, and the rear headrests are also adjustable. You can adjust it according to your height. If we talk about the safety features in the all new S Cross, this car comes with the fully loaded safety features. You get pedestrian protections, you get Suzuki tact body, dual frontal airbags, pre-tensioner seat belts with force limiters, isofix child seat anchorages on rear seat for better and safe drive for the children's, ABS with EBD, and all four disc brakes. Other than these features, there are more safety features. If you opt for automatic transmission, you get hill hold assist and electronic stability program. If we talk about the technology of this car now comes with K15B smart hybrid engine, which generates an impressive power of 77 kilowatt at 6000 rpm and maximum torque of 138 newton meter at 4400 rpms. If you prefer automatic transmission, the car also comes with 4-speed automatic transmission, and the mileage of this car is impressive 18.55 kilometer per liter. I hope you will like this car very much. Thank you so much.